Hi, my name is Dennis Mawio.
Kwe Juliet Ngwangfu.
Hi, my name is Monsenga Malasanye.
I was pursuing a master's in data inequality and society at the Edinburgh Futures Institute, the University of Edinburgh,
Which I was awarded through a scholarship by Mastercard Foundation.
I am Hanifa Manda. I represent the Africa Career Networks, where we curate Africa's future leaders. After having graduated several cohorts of alumni from the academy, we realized that there were certain things that they were not learning in the classroom, like the soft skills. Having done it for several years, the Mastercard Foundation decided to partner with us, and to date we have helped transition more than 6,000 scholars.
My biggest highlight from this conversation was about networks, that you could be known by a lot of people, but the thing is, can they mention you in rooms of opportunities?
With what I've gotten today, I really see it's necessary to tell the world what you have.
It's very important for you to actually get other perspectives, and I also feel it's very enriching because you get to learn a lot of new things in the process, some of which I wouldn't have otherwise known.
It really got me thinking a lot about people that I want to be connected with, if they can get me to the future that I want.
We provide professional development training, and we have got sector networks within our community, carefully curated with thinking behind what are some of Africa's greatest challenges. There was a session today about curating your network.
You just have 6 people away from you who know the right people you have to connect to.
I really had to dig deep to see what my network could be my networks.
I've met people from different parts of Africa. I'm really very open to learn from them and teach them what I know so that we can build together.
In doing what we're doing, we had a limitation of we couldn't be everywhere, and we decided to enlist the help of organizations like Shasha Network to help us take this work further, breaking into communities like those of refugees and people living with disabilities. The CEO and founder, Farai, is literally someone that came out of the academy. So for us, it's that full circle moment where we realize the impact that this has had, just the endless possibilities that this opportunity presents to take this work further. From what I've been hearing today, one of the greatest challenges is people, when they come abroad, they come carrying a lot of dreams, but there's also an element of not being sure. There's culture shock. You're trying to find yourself. So with this, it presents an opportunity to build a community.
From today, I'll keep on connecting because the genius you're looking for might not just be on the other side of the road. They might just be in the car with you, so you'd never know. So just connect with people around you to build networks.